Hey, today I'm going to unbox my new monitors. Let's get on. So as I said, today I'm going to open my new monitors, but before that, let's see what were the monitors I mixed on, well, at least some of them. Just give me a moment, I'm going to take the tool in order to unbox properly. This is the tool, so let's do it. This here. So I'm going to flip this over. Okay. These are the new Genelec 8341A, and they are made in Finland. Hey, focus on me. Yes, okay, let's continue. So we have here, and I'm going to tear it apart, I guess. And right here you have the speaker. Thank you. Let's see this. I give you the Genelec. Yes. Let's continue. Okay. Hi. Oh, they are finally here, man. I'm gonna show you the back. Okay. You have the power button here. Okay guys, we have one more thing to open. This is the calibration loudspeaker manager user kit. So with this I'm going to calibrate the monitors according to my room. Okay, so let's see what do we have right here. Okay. And we have quick setup guide. Okay, we have the G-lamp thingy. We have the mic that you put like this and you're calibrating your monitors. Okay. We have this clip here, and we have the cable to plug this GLM adapter to your computer. So this is it, guys. Now I'm going to test these babies. So I'm going to come back to you with my opinions, or maybe a review on this. So stay tuned. Bye.